Hi guys, today we're going to be making some delicious ground beef and potato adobada tacos. So if you're ready, let's get started. We're going to begin by making our adobo sauce. In a small pot, add 5 New Mexico guajillo chile pods. Make sure that you clean them. Along with that, 1 chile ancho. We're going to cover them with water. Set it on high heat and bring it to a boil. Okay, and as soon as the chiles come to a boil, we're going to turn it off and transfer them to a blender cup. Okay, so now we can make our adobo. Okay, to a blender cup, we're also going to be adding 2 garlic cloves, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 5 whole cloves, 5 allspice berries, and salt. I'm using 2.5 teaspoons. To that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of jalapeño pickle juice, or you can use vinegar, and 3/4 cup of water. And now we're just going to blend to smooth. All right, so once we have our adobo sauce, we're going to reserve 1/3 cup. And the rest, we're going to allow it to cool down. Okay, so once our adobo sauce has cooled down, we're going to mix it with 2 pounds of lean ground beef. Just pour it in there. Okay, begin to break down your meat. And just mix it with the adobo. Okay, so once our meat is fully coated with our adobo sauce, we're going to cover it and allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Okay, so while we wait for the meat, we're going to prepare our potatoes. Here I already boiled and peeled 4 medium-sized potatoes. And we're just going to begin to smash them down. And to that, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter and just smash it down with the potatoes. Okay, so once we smash down our potatoes, we're going to add our reserved adobo sauce. And just mix it. Okay, at this point, taste your potatoes for salt and see if you want to adjust it. And now we're just going to add 6 ounces of queso Oaxaca or Monterey Jack cheese. And just mix it together. Okay, and once we have our potatoes, we can set them to the side and just continue waiting. All right, so once we're ready, now we are ready to begin cooking our meat. Okay, we're going to grab our pan, set it on medium-high heat, add a little bit of oil, and allow it to heat up. Okay, and once hot, we're going to add half of an onion. We're going to allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Okay, and after a couple minutes, we're going to add our meat. And to my meat, I'm also going to be adding a little bit of ground cumin. And now we're just going to mix it and allow it to cook for about 7 minutes. Okay, so after 7 minutes, taste your meat for salt and adjust it if needed. And once we have our meat, now we can get ready to make our tacos. Okay, so once we're ready to make our tacos, on my comal over medium heat, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. And my comal's already hot. So I'm just going to grab my tortilla. Just allow it to blister. Okay, so once it blisters, I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to add my potato. Just press it down. And of course, you add as much as you want. And we're going to allow the cheese to melt. Okay, and after a minute, I'm going to add my ground beef. And just close it, so like that we allow the cheese to completely melt. Okay, and once the cheese melts, our tacos are ready, so we can remove them from the comal and get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and once we have our tacos, we can now get ready for the fun part. So I'm just going to top it with some onion, but of course you can enjoy them like that by themselves. I'm going to be adding some cilantro as well, some lemon, And of course, a salsita. And I'm also going to top them with some avocado dip. But just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that these tacos are seriously super delicious to make. The best part is that they're very inexpensive and everybody will enjoy them. And of course, you know, if you want to substitute the ground beef for chicken or pork, then feel free to do so. But let me tell you that this is honestly the best. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And did I say that they're super easy to make? Well, now I did. Now let me tell you, I love tacos. And this, I'm gonna have to say that this is one of my favorite. So good. The adobo, the potatoes, the ground beef, everything's so flavorful. And of course the salsas, the cherry on top. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make some delicious ground beef and potato adobada tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you create this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.